Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we have still a detailing video, but it's going to be a bit different. So you may see all the products and all the tools and everything I'm using on a normal video. Well, today I've condemned it down and we're doing how to detail your car on a £50 budget. So in this bag right here we have all the products we're going to be using. So everything that I'm going to show you is all under £50 combined. So if you don't want to go out and spend hundreds of pounds on products and tools and all the rest of it, then this is the best way to do it. So the first product we're going to be using is the Autoglym Bodywork shampoo, and there we go, it's focused. So this comes in at a total of £4.99, so £5, so that's good. So, and it is a 325ml bottle, and I think on here it says, yeah, it's, no, it doesn't say how many cars it'll do, but it'll probably last you a while, so that's good. So this is, you can definitely add this to your inventory. Next up then, we have this isn't going to be Autoglym APC, but it's just in the bottle that I'm going to be using it in. But this is Meguiar's APC. The reason it's in the Autoglym bottle is because my APC is over there somewhere, and it's in a big bottle which costs quite a lot, so that would have taken up like half the budget. So it is going to be Meguiar's APC that we're using, but in an Autoglym bottle, and this is quite expensive. This is probably, yeah, this is the most expensive product we're going to be using, which is £12. So yeah, I didn't want to do it per litre because I thought, well, not everyone's going to be able to, well, not anyone's going to be able to go to the shop and say, oh, I only need 500ml out of that 5 litre bottle. Okay, so the next product we have then is Autoglym Clean Wheels. This is the 1 litre bottle, but for the purposes of the video, it is going to be a 500ml bottle that I'm going to be using the price off. So this comes in at £8.42 for 500ml. So this is quite a good product to clean your wheels and get as much brake dust off as possible. So this is definitely a good product. So next we have Autoglym Fast Glass. Again, as you can tell, I'm quite a big fan of Autoglym. This product comes in at £8.62, so a bit more dearer than the shampoo and the rest of the things, but out of all the window cleaners I've used, this one is definitely the best. And again, this is a 500ml bottle for £8.62, so good value I think, and it does an amazing job. So next, detailing brushes. You can't go wrong with a set of detailing brushes. There should be another one, but I couldn't find it. So yeah, we will use these for all different parts of the vehicle. So we've got interior, wheels, and then body as well. So yeah, nice set of detailing brushes will definitely help you. These come in at £5.99 to £6 basically. They're good, they're really reliable, and they help detail your vehicle to that next step. So finally then, we have Meguiar's Tyre Gel. Yeah, Meguiar's Tyre Gel. You'll see me use this in all of my detailing videos that I've got up on the channel already. If you want to go visit any of them, then there should be a link up there, hopefully. But yeah, this product I love, as you can probably tell, because it's pretty much all gone. So yeah, this comes in at a total of £7.30, but again, for the price, I love this product, so it's really good. This is, I think, this is a 473ml bottle, because it's 16 ounces because it's US. So now we've got all the products out of the way and we know what we're using, and we've got brushes, chemicals and everything. So the total of all this comes to, at the time of recording, £47.32. So it is quite a good deal. It's under £50 and you get a good variety of products that you use across your whole vehicle, inside and out. So we are going to be using a pressure washer for this, the Karcher K2. The yellow Meguiar's buckets, as you've probably seen in the background of some of my videos. I would have been using a normal black bucket, but these are disgusting and they've got just household stuff in them, and the other one is a wheel bucket, so we don't want to cross-contaminate anything there. And I will be using just my Hoover, but everyone has a Hoover, I think, I hope. So yeah, those three things, so the pressure washer, the bucket and the Hoover, or all just things that I'd imagine people would already have. Or if not, then the pressure washer can be substituted as well as the bucket. So yeah, enough rambling, Aidan, let's jump into it. One thing I also do want to just quickly address is Autoglym do a set that comes in this bag, and then I've just got the products in here that I'm going to be using today in there. But they do a set, and I think it's roughly about £65. So if you are looking at spending a little bit more than just your £50, then this is definitely a set I would highly recommend, because you get literally everything. Like, you get your interior shampoos, you get your vinyl and leather, you get pretty much everything that you need to be able to detail your car well. And the only reason I've picked out certain products today is because I did it on a £50 budget. But if you are definitely looking at potentially stepping up your game in your detailing, then that set is something to definitely consider. The way in which I started was a Meguiar's set, which was about £30–40, so it was really good. And then obviously I moved over to all the Autoglym stuff, so yeah. So unfortunately that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you haven't checked out my previous videos then make sure you do. There will be a link either up here or up here, I don't know which side it is, but yeah. So I know the video was quite short, but the main purpose of this video was to show that you can detail your car on a budget, and in this case obviously £50. All the products I used, like I've mentioned at the start of the video, are all under £50, so this is a good way to detail your car within a budget, and I know that the results seem really good. So I do have a ceramic coating on my car, hence the reason why the water is beading on the paintwork, and I know it's a bit of an inaccurate representation, but it can be done. The detailing can be done on a budget, and like I mentioned, that is the main purpose of the video. Again, I am sorry that I didn't do the full thing. I was going to do inside, but it was raining, so I just didn't do it. But like I said, it is to show that you can do it on a budget with items you already have. So yeah, like I mentioned before, if you do enjoy the video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe. So I am planning on uploading weekly again starting next week, so yeah, make sure you guys stick around for that. And if you do like the modding videos, then please let me know, because I don't mind doing more of them and developing the car on the channel and stuff like that. But if you guys are just more interested in the detailing videos, then obviously let me know as well, because either way I can do both. I can do one or the other, so it doesn't really matter. So yeah, like I said, that is the end of the video. So I hope you guys did enjoy, and I will see you next week.